But you can see that they are actually a large tomato in proportion with my hand. It is a healthy tomato. The plants look healthy. The tomatoes look healthy. They're in the 6 foot range. They're still budding, so I'll still get tomatoes into late September. On the bottom here you have beets. These are two kinds of beets. We got a red beet and the greener ones. They're called a Detroit beet. They're excellent beet to use.
Okay. And
beans, yes, these are my beans. These are just green string beans, right? I just pile them up, as you can see, and we pluck them, but as much as the product is great, you have to water. If you don't water, it doesn't work.
And are you using a spray can, or what are you using?
I'm using a spray. What do you call them? They spray them for trees or anything.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I'm mixing. My personal is I'm mixing 100 to 1. Okay. That's me personally. I know what it does say on the bottle, right? But I mix 100 to 1, and it seems to work.
Okay, perfect. This looks great.